Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or delete your block list in Messenger easily. Step 1, you're going to open Messenger and then you're going to tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then from here, you're going to tap on settings. Now, once you're on your settings page, you're going to click on privacy and safety. And then from the privacy and safety page, you're going to scroll down until you find the who can reach you section. Now, once you arrive at the who can reach you section, you're going to click on blocked accounts. And then here you can see all of the accounts that you have blocked on Messenger. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on any of the names. And then once you clicked on any of the names, you're going to click on unblock. Now, once you have unblocked a person, you're just going to repeat the process for all others. So you're going to do this for every person that you want to remove from the block list. You cannot mass unblock the list. You have to do it one by one. And that's it. You have cleared your Messenger block list. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.